OnePlus is making a bold entry into the smartwatch industry, with the upcoming OnePlus Watch 3 marking its transition from a smartphone-focused brand to a more diverse tech company. Having previously experimented with wearables, this new model aims to strengthen the brand's position in the market. The expected features are designed to improve user experience, positioning OnePlus as a strong competitor against established brands like Apple and Samsung. This launch represents a crucial step in the smartwatch industry. The feedback from the OnePlus Watch 2 revealed several weaknesses, particularly the absence of LTE connectivity and limited health tracking capabilities, which disappointed many users. These critiques have played a key role in shaping the OnePlus Watch 3. By actively gathering insights from the community, OnePlus is dedicated to enhancing user satisfaction, ensuring that the Watch 3 not only addresses previous shortcomings but also meets consumer expectations. The OnePlus Watch 3 is set to bring several exciting advancements and new features. Most notably, it will introduce LTE connectivity and eSIM support, allowing users to stay connected without relying on their smartphones. The design has also been refined, featuring a redesigned bezel and an improved button layout for better usability. Additionally, users can look forward to notable improvements in battery life and software performance, providing a smoother experience and extended usage, making the OnePlus Watch 3 an appealing choice for smartwatch enthusiasts. Retaining the circular face and dual button setup from its predecessor, the OnePlus Watch 3 ensures a sense of familiarity. However, it introduces a striking diamond-cut pattern on the silicone strap, enhancing both aesthetics and grip. The tech-inspired dial contributes to a sportier look, catering to active users. These refined design elements combine to make the OnePlus Watch 3 both a stylish and functional accessory for daily wear. The OnePlus Watch 3 is expected to run on Wear OS, delivering a familiar and seamless Android experience. Reports suggest it will be powered by the upgraded Snapdragon Wear W5 Gen 2 processor, offering significant enhancements in speed and efficiency. These improvements are likely to lead to faster app launches, smoother navigation, and better battery optimization, ensuring a reliable and responsive smartwatch experience tailored to everyday needs. Currently undergoing certification, the OnePlus Watch 3 has been the subject of numerous leaks hinting at its features and specifications. However, some insiders speculate that potential delays in its release could leave fans eagerly waiting with uncertainty. Since the launch timeline remains uncertain, staying updated on official announcements from OnePlus is the best way to keep track of its availability. Monitoring the brand's official channels will help ensure you don't miss out on this exciting release. For those looking for an affordable smartwatch, the OnePlus Watch 2 remains a solid option, offering features like fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, and a sleek design at a budget-friendly price. If you're interested in experiencing smartwatch functionality without spending too much, the Watch 2 is a great alternative. With several discounts and promotions currently available online, it's an even more attractive choice. While waiting for the OnePlus Watch 3, considering the Watch 2 as a practical alternative is a smart move.